Hello, my name is Ella and welcome. Please join me on the PreOp metaverse. Our videos, watched almost 500 million times, support the world of healthcare. Let's watch a 10-second montage of our video centers of excellence. We are thrilled to introduce you to our first NFT collection on OpenSea, featuring the original artwork of one of our most watched YouTube videos, the PreOp heart stent implantation. Each PreOp NFT represents segments from the movie using actual Photoshop illustrations and offers a 2000 pixel resolution. Our CMTv production team of certified medical illustrators created layers for each video clip, now available as pristine NFT artwork. Our roadmap will set aside creative fees for content review, new titles, and production. The community will receive airdrops of video clips generated from your NFTs